friend, today we are studying the management of water quality in breeding and rearing fishes. Part first by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College, Nanded, BSc third year, paper number 14, unit number 3. Water quality management in ornamental fish culture. Introduction. Water is a prerequisite for the maintenance and breeding and culture of a tropical ornamental fishes. For ornamental fish farming, water is mainly obtained from a rain, river, estuarian well, and canal reservoir. The physiochemical characteristic of water, such as pH, hardness, temperature, dissolved oxygen, chlorine, carbonate content, play key role in the breeding and production of many ornamental fish species. This is a aquarium. This aquarium show the pure water in it. These are the big tanks where the fishes are cultivated. pH. pH of water unable for ornamental fish farming may vary from the acidic to alkaline depending upon its source and chemical and biological factors. The optimal pH for growth and breeding. The majority of ornamental fishes may be natural salinity alkaline 7 to 8. Some ornamental fishes such as Oscar and discuss with a span only a slightly acidic and soft water. Water in an ornamental fishes tank should never be below than 5 and or rise above the 8.5. Ornamental fishes preferring slightly acidic pH 6.2 to 7 include rosy barb, tiger barb, and tetra, angle, or dano. On the other hand, certain fishes like seychelles, goldfish, koya, and gourami prefer a alkaline pH. These are the fishes. Different type of aquarium fishes are shown in here. Chlorine. Ornamental fish culturists in cities often have a water quality problem as the tap water used by them contain a chlorine beyond the permission level. The growth and survival of any sensitive fish are affected by the chlorinated tap water. Chlorine content as low as zero point 0.1 ppm itself is toxic to fishes. High chlorine content of such water can be dechlorinated by heating the water. Water with chlorine will have to be kept over a night for escape of chlorine. Water hardness. It is nothing but a total soluble calcium and magnesium salt present in water expressed as its calcium carbonate equivalence. The total hardness of water, however, includes the sulfate and chlorides of a calcium and magnesium. The total hardness is mainly used to classify the waters into hard waters, soft water, total hardness, and 50 ppm calcium carbonate equivalent in a considerable to be driving in line between hard and soft waters. Water with hardness of 100 to 300 ppm have been found to be optimal for the normal growth of majority of ornamental fish. The fish with water with less than 12 ppm required limit for hardness production of a fish. The water of less than 5 ppm hardness have been found to affect growth and eventual death of fish. Hardness. Hardness is also known as the influence field intake. Growth must be chiseled, angle, black zebra, firemouth, blue moth, and ariotus. Softwater fishes, tiger barb, rosy barb do not show the maturation above 120 ppm hardness, while a koya, angle, guppy prefer a soft water for a better growth and coloration. The molluscs plants prefer a saline and hard water. Successful spanning of a golden fish have been reported at a 700 ppm of water hardness. Oviparous goldfish and koya crop prefer a carbonated hardness for a maintaining sticky nature of egg and associated with incubation conditions. Thank you.